Looking for the most reliable bike pumps to keep your ride smooth and worry-free? In this video, we'll break down the top options that combine durability, ease of use, and performance so you never get stuck with a flat. Our channel brings you quality videos daily to help you discover the best products for your lifestyle. Stick around and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Number 1. Vibrelli Bike Floor Pump. At 2 feet tall, the Vibrelli is a few inches shorter than the average floor pump, making it a more convenient travel companion. We found it easy to jigsaw into a trunk already overcrowded with bikes and gear, and since it's so light, 2.75 pounds, it won't push your checked baggage over the airline's weight limit. Our testing found that the gauge was accurate up to 100 psi, the max pressure our testing device will measure, although the graduations on the dial go all the way up to 160 psi. This pump is best for road and thin gravel tires. Although you can fill fat tires with the Vibrelli, it's not a high-volume pump, so you'll get a tricep workout filling mountain bike tires. Although the shaft is steel, the base and handle are plastic. That's not a deal breaker, but it means the pump isn't as robust as the more expensive ones on this list. But at this price, it's a great value. Number 2. Dash CYC Plus Tiny Bicycle Pump with Gauge. Sold on electric mini inflators but not the high price of the muck-off, the cyclist pump is a solid alternative. Battery life isn't quite as strong, and it lacks the rubber exterior that keeps your hand cool, but otherwise it delivers the same features as the pricier models. You get a digital gauge, automatic shutoff when your target pressure is reached, and a removable rubber hose that both protects valves from heat and makes it easy to use in tight spots. Perfect for kids' bikes or wheelbarrows. The LED large screen with pressure gauge function allows easy reading of preset pressure values and real-time pressure readings with a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi. Once the desired pressure is set, this bicycle tire inflator will automatically complete the remaining tasks, stopping automatically when the target pressure is reached. Number 3. BikeTube Air Handler. From BikeTube, an online store specializing in surprise bike tubes, comes the Air Handler floor pump. In keeping with the rest of the products the company offers, this is a high-value and high-performing floor pump. The steel base provides a very solid platform, and the aluminum barrel resists heat expansion while keeping overall weight low. We like how the wide handle with rubber grips feels in our hands, and the industrial-grade pressure gauge is rated to within 2% accuracy. This pump has been knocking around our office for years, and it just won't die. The gauge isn't perfectly accurate, but it's consistent. It's most off the mark at the low end of the gauge. At 45 psi, the pump was registering only 40 psi, but it gave more accurate readings at higher pressures. What the dial claims was 80 psi, we confirmed was actually 83 psi. But at 100 psi, the pump read only 1 psi low. Number 4. BikeTube Air Handler Mini. If you've got the floor pump department covered but are in need of a mini pump, the Air Handler Mini is a great option. It's compact, only 6.3 inches long, light, and can crank out a lot of air in a relatively short amount of time thanks to its 2-stage pumping design and internal piston that pumps air in both directions. For filling fat tires and starting off a road tire, flip a level to HV, high volume. Once the going gets a little tougher, flick the switch the other way for high pressure, HP, and you can crank your road tires up to 120 psi. There is no need to disassemble or thread on. Be sure to support the pump head with the opposing hand while pumping to avoid damaging the valve. Carefully push the locking lever back down and then pull the pump off of the valve. Number 5. Lesini Control Drive CO2. There are many different CO2 inflators out there. Most will empty a CO2 cartridge into your tire just fine. But Lesini Control Drive CO2 does that job just a bit better. The dial used to open and close the valve feels precise and robust. So if you use larger size CO2 cartridges, you can dispense just the right amount of air without wasting the rest. Engineered for versatility. This bike tire repair tool features a twin slip chuck head that securely fits both Presta and Schrader valves. The dual valve compatibility makes it a reliable choice for road cyclists, mountain bikers, and gravel riders alike. The Lazine Control Drive CO2 tire maintenance pump comes with a neoprene sleeve that protects your hands during CO2 cartridge discharge. This thoughtful feature shields against the freezing temperatures released during inflation, making this cycling bike inflator both practical and rider-friendly.